KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I do this grilled teriyaki eggplant. It's a really simple dish. It's a great little side dish for any barbecue. First thing I've got to do is make up my teriyaki sauce. So I'm going to add in around about 6 tablespoons worth of sugar, around about 4 tablespoons worth of mirin, around about 6 tablespoons worth of sake, and I'm going to add in and about 6 tablespoons worth of a good quality soy sauce. Okay, so all you have to do is bring it up to the heat, let it maybe simmer a little bit, let it reduce down, and before you know it, you're going to have your very own teriyaki sauce. The other alternative is just go to the supermarket and buy a bottle off the shelf. Right, here I've got an eggplant. I'm going to cut these into around about 1/2 inch, 12mm, 1.2 centimeter slices. Put those straight into a bowl, and I will cover those with a little bit of sushi seasoning that I bought from the supermarket. It's going to stop things going brown. Alright, nice hot grill, and all we need to do now is we're going to place our eggplant straight down, just like that. Don't worry about trying to get rid of any of that sushi seasoning or vinegar. The vinegar just stops oxidization. Give it a little baste from time to time. No point in wasting any of that goodness that we have in our bowl. It's just going to add another layer of flavor to it and a little bit of extra moisture. Alright, so I've got my little teriyaki sauce here. I'm just going to paint a little bit or brush a little bit of that sauce on top, just as though I was basting a chicken or something like that. Just give it a little bit of color like that. And these eggplant steaks, they're going to take around about 5 minutes per side ish, depending on the heat and quality of your barbecue or grill. Give them a flip, just like I'm doing there. Paint a little bit more of that teriyaki on top, and as you can see, I'm using this as a side for the other dish that is on the hot plate on the left hand side. Alright, once they are done, all we have to do now is remove those and get ready to serve. Now, as I said, this can be used as a side, or it can also be used as a main dish, as a pure vegan or vegetarian type meal. Right, lay this down on top of your rice, just like that. Oh, and how good does that look? I'm going to add a little bit more of my sauce straight on top. I'm just going to use my little brush, give that, and if you want to be a little bit greedy like I am, I'm going to add more of that sauce straight over the top. Look at that. How good is that? Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Leave a comment. Love reading and responding to them. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make a quick little side like this, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my grilled teriyaki eggplant, and I will catch you next time. Bye!